Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can download and install VS Code, Visual Studio Code in our Windows 10 system, operating system. To begin with, open any of your favorite web browser and type as VS Code, just enough. Hit on this first link. See, I'm going to use for Windows, so I will choose a Windows tab here and make sure your type of system whether it will be 32 or 64. My system is 64, so I am choosing 64-bit. The file will be around 60.5 MB. Okay. VS Code executable file is download complete. Let's run this file. Uh, Before installation, I need to add one point that we also required JDK level or later higher version. Please check whether Java is already installed on your system or not. In my case, OpenCMD. In my case, Java is not installed, so I need to be install it. No worries, we can install it later after VS Code. For now, I'm accepting the agreement. Click on next. I'm going with default path. If you really require, you can change the path also. Yes, I need a desktop icon on my system, so I'm choosing this. Next, next install. Yeah, in between, as I said, we require Java also, so we go for Java installation. Download JDK level. Choose this first link and go for Windows 64-bit. Click on download. Accept terms and license agreements. Click on download. For Java, Oracle, we need to create one user ID password. It is a free account. No worry, you just need to hit on this create account, and you need to provide necessary details like your first name, last name, and your email ID. Then Oracle will send an confirmation email to your email ID. So once you click on that confirmation, you will get a user ID and password for Oracle. Uh, I already have a user ID for Oracle, so I am using for now. Okay, my credentials are correct, so download is get started. It's around 152 MB and version is JDK level 010. Let's wait for download to be complete. VS Code installation also, yes, completed. I will launch it later when Java is done. I'm finishing, coming to Java. Click on next, next. Yes, Java deployment kit 10, sorry, level 010 64-bit is successfully installed. So I am closing this pop-up. Now for confirmation purpose, I'm just opening CMD and I will type as Java iPhone version. If it is installed successfully, then it will show the exact version details in this command. Yes, it's showing the full details as Java is successfully installed. Okay. Uh, Also, we need to add Java path in our environment variable. So open variable environments, environment variables, path, new, sorry, edit. Yes, we just need to add the path of Java level 0, JDK level 010 uh, version path in here. First of all, we go with this PC C drive program files, search for Java. Okay, Java is here. Here, yes. Please take up to bin folder. Just copy this full path and paste it here. It's done. Java is also installed and variable set for Java also we have done with variable environment also. So let's start with VS Code. Here is the installed application of Visual Studio Code. Yes, it is complete. As you can see, Visual Studio Code 1.52.1 version is downloaded and installed successfully in our system. You can also use extension tab to install multiple extensions which is available in VS Code inbuilt extensions. I also need one more point here that please use these introductory videos for beginners who are starting Visual Code as a first time. This will help with every detailed steps on getting started and customization, how you can customize your font and extensions, all those things, and yes, extensions and code editing and debugging and version control. So these will help for beginners who are newly getting started with VS Code. That's all, my friends. If you like this video, please do subscribe and hit on bell icon.